This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Tiburon Sprinter 24TT is a Class C RV. It is located in Rural Hall, North Carolina, 27045 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Winston, Salem. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2026 Thor Motor Coach Tiburon Sprinter 24TT is built on a Mercedes Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.